Hey, explorers! Guess where I'm going today? Ancient Egypt. That's right, pyramids, pharaohs, and maybe even a mummy or two. But wait, there's more. Mysteries, treasures, and some super cool secrets to discover. Are you ready to travel back in time with us? I'm Baki, and this is my best friend Yemi. We built a super cool cardboard time machine, and I taped on so many sparkly stickers. Yemi, are you ready? We even added a big red button that says adventure on it. I hope it works. Ready? Yemi presses all the buttons. Beep, beep, beep. Now hold on tight. 3, 2, 1. Whoosh! Time travel powers activate. The machine shakes, lights flash, and suddenly we're spinning through a rainbow tunnel of time. Whoa, where are we? Look at all this golden sand. There's the sun and pyramids. Can you spot the pyramids with us? Count with me, 1, 2, 3. Nice job. The air feels warm and dry, and the sky is the brightest blue I've ever seen. It's like stepping into a storybook. Yemi wipes their brow. It's so hot. Where's the Nile River? I bet the ancient Egyptians loved having a river to cool off and grow their food. Maybe we'll spot a crocodile or a boat floating by. And no way, is that a camel? It just trotted by with a funny honk. Hi, camel. Did you know camels can go days without water? They're like the superheroes of the desert. Suddenly something shimmery appears. It's Cleopatra. She's waving at us, and check out her shiny gold crown. Salutations, time travelers, she says. I rule Egypt with my pet leopard. Her leopard purrs and rubs against her leg. Cleopatra looks so royal and friendly. Whoa, Cleopatra, what's with that snake crown? She giggles. It's called a uraeus. It protects me from danger and it looks cool too. The little snake gives a silly hiss. Don't worry, it's just saying hello. Ancient Egyptians believed the uraeus was magical and super powerful. Yemi's curious. How did you build the pyramids? Cleopatra winks. We had thousands of workers. But shh, it's a royal secret. Some say they used ramps and giant stones and everyone worked together under the hot sun. Imagine building something so big it lasts for thousands of years. Suddenly a door creaks open. Oh, it's a mummy. But not a scary mummy. This one's wobbly and wrapped in bandages and achoo. Bandages go everywhere. The mummy laughs. Sorry, it's dusty in here. He does a silly dance and makes us giggle. I ask, why do you wear all those bandages? The mummy smiles. To keep my body safe for the afterlife. Want to try wrapping up? He waves a roll of toilet paper at us. No thanks. We laugh and run. I almost trip over my own feet, but Yemi grabs my hand and we zoom away. But what's this? A secret wall full of strange pictures, hieroglyphs. Time for a quick puzzle. Yemi points. This eye means protection. The glowing eye lights up. The wall rumbles and a hidden door almost opens. Next I spot a cat. That's for Bastet, the cat goddess. Meow. Ancient Egyptians loved cats and thought they brought good luck. I give the cat statue a gentle pat for extra luck on our adventure. Can you help us with the very last symbol? Pause the video and tell us what you think it means in the comments. Maybe it's a clue to a hidden treasure. Or Cleopatra's favorite snack. Cleopatra's waving goodbye. Come back soon, Baki and Yemi. Next time, bring ice cream. I wonder what flavor Cleopatra would like. Maybe honey date swirl or fig surprise. We jump back in our time machine and sing. Bye-bye, Egypt, land of sand, pyramids are grand. Our adventure was amazing, but there are so many more places to explore. Don't forget to subscribe for our next adventure, dinosaurs. See you soon, explorers. And remember, every day can be an adventure if you use your imagination.